What is happening, everyone? This is the news of the day. I've been planning out so many things. We've been building the Discord channel. We've been looking at the markets, coins, upcoming projects, so many things going on. I want to do these videos. I want to find out the perfect formula for you guys on YouTube because when you go through the how-to videos and the explanations, you really need something to keep pumping out daily because I want to communicate with you guys, show you what you can do in the market and help you succeed as much as possible, especially before the upcoming bear market. We're going to be looking at what happened today in the world. We're going to be explaining how this affects the market and how you can take advantage of it every day. If you like this kind of content, if you do want to see me doing more of these videos of looking at the markets and what is happening right now and how you can take advantage of it, leave a like, subscribe, maybe share it with a friend who needs to see this. I don't know. It really helps me out. It gives me motivation and it makes me understand that this is what you guys need to see every single day. So let's jump right in the video. We're going to be having a look at the general overview of the market. We can see that Ethereum is under 4,000, Bitcoin is under 50,000, still moving sideways, really fighting with that 50,000 resistance. Now, everybody today is waiting for the Federal Reserve to actually announce what they're going to do in regards with inflation. Now, as we all know and we spoke about on Instagram and on Twitter, USA has a serious problem with inflation, 6.8%. So the Federal Reserve looks at inflation now no longer as transitionary. What does that mean? It means they're starting to actually look at this in a serious manner, which they should. Now, what are they going to do to deal with it? Today, they will probably announce their first interest rate hike for the next year. Not this year, next year. Still, why is this important? Now, they are going to raise interest rates from 0, and they are going to release a new forecast showing 2 to 3 interest rates hikes in 2022. 2 to 3. Not 1, not 2, maybe 3. So the question here is, are they really going to fight inflation, or should you be looking at different assets to safeguard yourself and actually keep going with inflation, or actually move past the point where you actually move faster than inflation and your money keeps up with the current inflation rates? Jerome Powell has done a really good job up until this point, and he's not completely anti-crypto. Now, if that's the case, and he does figure out a way to help out with the current inflation rate, maybe we're going to see a positive outcome in the market. If they don't come out with a plan that is actually somewhat expected to work, then we're going to have a problem. We could be looking at that bear market. We could be looking at the markets crashing. In general, nobody knows. We have to wait for the outcome. That's why the markets are moving sideways and not really pumping or dumping in a very serious manner. Everything comes down to what happens in the market and with the current decision the Federal Reserve is going to give. If we look at Bitcoin and the chart and what it's doing in the past 7 days, you see it's fluctuating between 51,000, give or take. All the way, the lowest point was $45,967. It's within that range the past 7 days. As you can see, no big pumps or dumps. It's moving sideways. It will all come down to the announcement today. What you could expect to see when Bitcoin starts moving, if Bitcoin starts pumping, other coins are going to follow. That's what you need to keep an eye out for. Other coins, smaller cap, low cap, mid cap coins that you can take advantage, not fall in love with, but take advantage with the market movement. Try to actually make some profits and then take out some profits. Don't fall in love with projects right now. If you have a different plan of dollar cost averaging like we spoke in other videos, yes, that's fine. You can do it. But right now, if you're looking to make a quick buck, if you want to actually take advantage of this volatile market, it's the time to not fall in love with projects, follow Bitcoin, see what it's doing, and then judge what the next market movement is going to be. I always like to look at gaming coins as well because right now they are pumping because of the metaverse. Everyone is speaking about the metaverse. Everyone is creating a coin, an NFT that is going to be used in a game, and immediately you use the buzzword metaverse, everything goes up. Now, not all of these projects are going to survive the bear market. What you need to do is your own research. I've done another video on this one. I'm going to leave links to these below. You can also subscribe and like and keep up with what I do. Now, you are looking at a brand new market. This is just the beginning. What you need to understand is when Bitcoin starts moving, all of these small cap coins are going to move with it. The whole market is moving according to Bitcoin. It's the OG. It's the old lady. That's what it is. You need to follow Bitcoin. For example, Gods Unchained. I'm not affiliated by any of these coins, by the way, any of these projects. I don't even have sponsors. It's just the beginning. And if I ever do, I'll let you know. Now, Gods Unchained is actually a very, very conservative market cap right now. You could be looking at that, for example. D-Race also. You could be looking at that. Abekochi also. Infinity. I always said I'm going to make a video on Infinity and I have to do it. Now it's your chance. The market is low. Get in and then get out. Dollar cost average out. Don't fall in love with these projects. If you want to keep something for the long term, yes, you can do so. But if you want to take advantage of the market, do it now. Now let's move on to more pleasant news. Not really pleasant, but I got shocked today. I woke up to coinmarketcap being extremely high. I thought I was a billionaire. But it turns out it was a glitch. If this happened to you guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of reaction you had when you saw this. Now, having a look at Plan B's target again at 90,000 until the end of the year, with the current movements we see, if we find support, we could reach that. We could. He's not really off all the time. A couple of times, maybe a couple of thousands off. But what do you think? Will we hit 90, 100,000 until the end of the year or no? We will go 30,000? What's your guess on the price of Bitcoin? In other news, Nike acquired NFT studio RTFKT. I don't know if I'm saying it right, or Redfict, whatever you want to call it. This is a very strange move. It does make sense in terms of what Adidas does, in terms of the plan of Adidas, but it doesn't make sense that they invested in Nike Land, in Roblox, and now they're investing into an NFT studio. So which direction are they going to take? Did they rush with Roblox? Was it strategic? Are they going to keep both ways? I don't know. But this is definitely going to affect the NFT market because right now, everyone and their grandmother is doing an NFT project, right? Everyone is looking for the quick cash out, for the quick no value whatsoever. Everyone is trying it. But we keep seeing big names jumping in the NFT space. This means at some point in time, inevitably, everyone is going to be in the NFT space. So all of these cash out, quick cash out projects are going to be relevant. Yes, they're going to exist, but when the majority of NFTs you can buy are from huge corporations like these, most people are going to choose the company they know. Very few people are going to look to make money with those quick pumps. Yes, but it's not going to be as bad as now. Remember the early .com days or the early crypto days? Keep that in mind. But we really do hope to see an improvement in projects showing up and in big names joining the space. What does this mean for Nike? There's a very interesting video they actually posted on Twitter. RTFKT Studios actually showed how AR could look like when you have a Nike NFT. So this gives you a taste of the future. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pumped to see my NFT off the phone on me. Even if I buy the NFT and then I get the actual shoe with it, or if your shoe doubles up as digital and actual life, come on. Who cannot be excited about this? So many jobs are going to be created. Digital creators, designers for NFTs, architects in the metaverse. Everything is going to go crazy. Everyone is going to be able to get a job from the comfort of their home. This is the future. Either we like it or we don't like it. You have to embrace it and understand it to be able to move forward and grow in this space. Now, speaking about the future today, we have an opinion here on CoinDesk.com in regards to real estate and actually what is going to happen with real estate on the blockchain, and if NFTs are going to take over, which I really believe anything and everything that actually involves a contract is going to become an NFT at one point in time. That can be, for example, and not limited to, security contracts, to insurance, lawyers, your house, your car, ownership is going to be an NFT. It's much faster, it's secure, no fees that come even close to what these people charge you or the banks charge you. And when Ethereum will go to 2.0, if you take out the gas fees as well, end of the story. End of the story. That's it. Everyone will have NFTs on their phone. You are going to be spammed with NFTs. You're going to actually don't want to get NFTs that you don't like. This is why I'm telling you right now, everyone is looking for the quick pump. In the future, when you're actually going to have all of these NFTs take over your life, your everyday life, you won't want this in your wallet. You're going to choose what you have and what you want. Now, everyone just wants a piece. That's all. And they just don't want to pay the gas fees. That's the truth. Correct me if I'm wrong. We go back to real estate and what happened with Sandbox. Sandbox, if you Google it, Hong Kong property tycoon Andrew Cheng builds virtual land in the Sandbox. Sandbox chief explains the metaverse, virtual land, gold rush. It's all over the place. Snoop Dogg is developing a Snoopverse. This is the same thing as buying land in Manhattan, for example, when it was $1. This is it. This is your chance. You just need to find the right project. Be right. Spread out if you want your investments. This is not financial advice. You do your own research. But don't stand by and watch people do this and you miss out. I'm not saying this for FOMO. I'm saying educate yourself. Do your research. That's it. If you stick until the end, you are amazing. And I really do want to have you in our Discord server. I'm going to leave a link down below. Say hi, I came from YouTube, introduce yourself, and we'll take it from there. That's all ranting from me today. I hope you really got some value out of the video. This is the update of the markets. I just want you to have a look, watch Bitcoin, stay on the side and see what the next move is and then decide what project to join. Other than that, thank you for sticking until the end. Leave a like and subscribe, share with a friend that needs to see this, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.